Saladmaster chefs out there. I'm going to show you guys some vintage cookware from way back, possibly around 2010, that looks excellent. And I'm just going to move forward over here. The electric fry pan. And of course the electric fry pan has two different lids that can be used with it. This is a high dome cover. This is just the regular not temp tone, the regular vapor valve that goes with it here. And then of course, at one time, back in the day, there was a rack that you could get that would insert in here, and you could actually put a cake on here and bake a cake while you're frying meats down here. So this again is our electric fry pan. The electric skillet, it holds 4 quarts of food or anything that you would want to put in it. So I'm just going to move that down. I'm going to show you some more pieces here in just a second. Get rid of this. The next thing that I'm going to show you, this is the 5-quart wok. It has detachable handles that come with it. You can get the long handle, or you can use 2 side handles. Again, it's a 5-quart wok that holds 5 quarts of anything you want to put in here. And just because we call it a wok doesn't mean anything. You can bake, cook, fry, anything you'd want to do in the wok. It's a 5-quart cooker as well. So I'm just going to stack that right down here, move that on down. And then the next thing that I'm going to show you, this is a 8-quart Saladmaster roaster. And the neatest thing about it is it has a beautiful steamer insert. So you can do a big roast and vegetables down here, and you can do corn on the cob and broccoli and cauliflower up here in the top of it. It's a beautiful 3-piece set. No longer available, but if you would like one, comment below. Who knows what we can come up with when we're in the stock room working it. Another item that we have, this is a 10-quart Saladmaster roaster. You can bake a roast, a turkey, a ham right on top of the stove. It'd be by detaching the handles. All you do is slide it in the oven, and of course you can just take off your little knob just like this, and it will remove if you want to do some oven baking in there. So anyhow, the side handles, they just detach, and you can cook, bake, or fry in every single piece with a lifetime warranty on the pan. This will go right back on very easily. Just give it a little turn. And once it picks up those little threads, there you go. Now you have a 10-quart cooker. So if you've got a large family, a 10-quart is the way to go. If you have a medium-sized family, the 8-quart is the way to go. And of course, if you just love doing wok-type things, the wok is perfect. The next piece that I'm going to show you, this is a crock pot, we call it, although it's really an MP5. So it will hold 5 quarts of food, and you can slow cook in it if you prefer to. It's completely immersible into water, just like our electric skillet is. It has the vintage handles from probably around that 2010 era when it was made, and then they redid the handles and things on that. It does have the little vapor valve lid, just like all of the other pieces that I have showed you. So I'm going to just move that on down, and then I'm going to start with our basic 3-size, the most sought after size pans. And I knew that was but anyhow, we have a 1-quart, a 2-quart, we have a 3-quart size, and of course you can get either a pudding pan in today's time that will insert in it. This is a double roller that will also fit in there, or you can add the 3-quart steamer insert. And the neatest thing about this set is all of the lids will fold in just for easy handling and storage. You can even take and hang these on a shelf rack if you prefer to do so. The lid will stay right in there. So I'm just going to remove these and slide them right on down just a bit here. It is an excellent, beautiful set. Your first investment is your last investment with Saladmaster. And who remembers this little beauty? This is a 2-burner griddle or a double burner griddle, and it's just a really heavy, beautiful piece. All of Saladmaster is made in the good old USA. We're extremely proud of that. And this is perfect for hamburgers and chops and just doing any type of sausage and breakfast and eggs and pancakes, and oh my goodness, you're so unlimited. So this is no longer available. However, to replace it, this is a deep dish griddle that will basically do the same. It's just round. It does have the handles on it. They're permanent handles. They do have little openings so that the airflow or the heat flow will flow out of there to where the handles don't get hot. These are very, very heavy duty griddles. They're designed to last a lifetime. A lifetime. Imagine buying something that would last you a lifetime. That is a pretty rare thing in today's world, trying to find things that will last you a lifetime, that would actually have a lifetime warranty on it. The next thing that I'm going to show you all, this is the small and the large, which is an 8 and a 10 inch, excuse me, it's a 9 and an 11 inch pan. I'm going to have to move a few things out. But this is your 9-inch skillet and 11-inch skillet, just from around 2010. I think this is called the Versatech Collection. I may be wrong about that. I'm not yet. No, this is called the Versatech Collection. And that's when they started and invented those detachable handles, which is really cool. So if you're looking for a skillet to last you a lifetime, look no further, because Saladmaster is guaranteed to last you absolutely for a lifetime. You're unlimited. You can bake cakes with this on top of the stove. You can bake cakes in the oven. You can cook vegetables in here. You can fry meats in here. You're totally unlimited. You can cook out of it, serve out of it. It's all dishwasher safe. You can even store leftovers right in the refrigerator in it, which makes it so nice. And you're cooking out of 316 stainless steel. And if you're thinking, what is 316 stainless steel? That is a medical grade 316 stainless steel with no metal contamination coming out of the cookware, unlike the cheaper stainless steels that's made in today's world. So Saladmaster is not sold in any store. And if you have any of these pieces, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And I'm going to show you some bakeware, so I'm just going to step aside real quickly and get some bakeware. So this is our 6-piece bakeware set, and all of these pieces has been used. They have been used off and on throughout the years for cooking schools and classes and different things. This is 2 9-inch cake pans for your stacked cakes if you do stacked top cakes. And then this is your 2 pie pans. And these pie pans will sit right down in the electric skillet, so you can bake a pie in your electric skillet. Your electric skillet is used just like an oven. Although it will bake, cook, and fry, you can bake in it just the same as you would your oven. So again, a 6-piece Saladmaster bakeware set. And then I'm just going to take and put these together. I'm going to move these down just a bit. I think I might be running out of space here. So let's just take and see if I can maneuver these. I don't know how well that's going to sit. Like that. But anyway, maybe I'll put it back here. Then we offer Dutch oven. And back years ago, we used to do meatloaf, potatoes, and pineapple upside down cake, just like this, by using our cake pan in here. So if you could imagine doing a meat, a vegetable, and a dessert all at the same time. So you could do meatloaf, potatoes, pineapple, upside down cake, or you could switch it up and do it however you want to. It does come with a Vaco valve lid. And I have one of those. I just don't know where it's at. That's not the right size. Oh, right here it is. No, that's for the electric skillet. So anyhow, I'm going to show you one more thing. This is our 3-piece skillet set. How beautiful is that? So these skillets will last you a lifetime. This is an 8.5, a 10.5, and a 12.5 inch. They are a little bit larger, I think, nowadays. But these skillets, I mean, with stainless steel 316, if it doesn't say Saladmaster on the side, and if it doesn't say 316 stainless steel, chances are it is not. And keep in mind, when you are making a purchase through your dealer, Saladmaster is warranted only through the for the original purchaser, provided you get it through an authorized Saladmaster dealer. That's important to know when you're investing in Saladmaster Cookware. Thank you guys for watching, and just keep on cooking.